This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fix Chrome Zoom. First, let's address those pesky zoom issues that make websites either too tiny or overwhelmingly large. We'll start with the simplest and most effective way to get your browser back to a comfortable viewing experience. This method is straightforward and requires just a few clicks, ensuring you can quickly return to enjoying your online content without straining your eyes or constantly adjusting. To reset the zoom for a specific page, simply navigate to the top right corner of your Chrome browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on them to open the menu. Within this menu, locate the Zoom section. Here, you can use the minus or plus buttons to adjust the zoom level. For a quick fix, click the Reset button to instantly return the page to its default 100% zoom. If you want to set a consistent zoom level for all websites, you'll need to adjust your default settings. Open Chrome Settings by clicking the 3 vertical dots again, then selecting Settings. On the left-hand side, click Appearance. Here, you'll find the Page Zoom option. Use the drop-down menu to select your desired default zoom, such as 100% or 125%, ensuring a comfortable view across all pages. For even faster adjustments, remember these handy keyboard shortcuts. Press Ctrl+0 on Windows or Command+0 on Mac to instantly reset the page zoom to 100%. To increase zoom, use Ctrl++, and for decreasing, use Ctrl+-. If you're still experiencing issues, consider disabling browser extensions one by one, as they can sometimes interfere. A quick restart of Chrome often clears up any lingering display problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.